Can you
that
see
one?
it? Oh my
Guys,
gosh.
it's pretty long.
Wait, what is this? What is this called again? It's a
Tamilok.
woodworm? Okay, me and Kia are gonna try to eat this woodworm, guys.
Kaya! Feeling ko squishy lang.
It's gonna become a...
Parang ano lang siya.
Para daw
lang mamay bayad.
Magkano
sige,
pa?
100.
100 siya.
Oh, binibidyo nga namin. Diyos ko, baka pumangit ang mukha ko.
Sige, ate. Ang lamig.
Okay, well, it's okay. You can see Kia's face. It's fine.
Screw it. Kakainin ko na lahat.
I'm scared. Okay, you go first.
Ayaw.
Yung mukha mo.
Parang deli.
Okay, my turn.
Not so bad.
Are you sure? Oh my gosh, it's so big though. Can I get something smaller? Okay, that's good.
Tamis. May matamis. Parang pusit, ate.
It's like an oyster. You want to try some? Okay.
Sayang yung 100. Pero may pusit siyang lasa.
Are you supposed to just swallow it?
No,
I chewed it, but I guess you could swallow.
Wow.
Take it. Itanggalin mo.
linis na to. May tail siya, may tail.
Where's the...
Ate, ano tong maitim?
Pwede ba kainin to?
Pwede kainin yung itim?
Yung itim?
Ay,
Oh my gosh.
nakakaloka.
Okay, do you do it?
Ha, ano ate? Ay, Diyos ko po. Tatanggalin ko na lang. Hindi ko kaya yung may ganyan.
Try
Yung
mo ka. Ano yung buntot niya?
ang lamig.
Kainin mo na. Kainin mo na, kaya yan. Kinaya mo.
Ang haba nung kinain.
Oh my gosh, wait.
2, 3.
Kaya mo yan. Ang laki, grabe. Padali.
Maasim.
Dahil sa kalamansi. Okay lang, di naman ako susuka. Okay lang. Kaya yan.
Nabulo yan.
Parang sashimi. Okay. Rating out of 10 stars.
Fear factor. Pero tame lang to, di naman gumagalaw eh.
I think
Very
what's
bright.
weird is the texture. I mean, I think if people eat it, maybe like the texture is what'll be weird.
Parang,
Do you like oysters though?
I do like oysters, but it's like this is a little slimier. I feel like than an
yeah,
oyster.
jelly-like. Parang
Yeah.
jelly.
Ayan, sa'yo na yung iba.
Kaya mo yan.
Ay, naku, ikaw na.
Haba nung
Aba,
kinain ko.
Haba rin ng kinain ko. Mahaba rin to. Yung maliit na lang ang sa'yo. Oh. Kaya yan, kaya.
Sana lang.
This is my last one.
Naka-video tayo. Papakain. Ang lamig kasi. Kung mainit-init siguro. Okay lang. Eh, kasi nga fresh.
Alright, we did it.